Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share for Windows. Nearby Share for Windows is a Google product that connects to your Android phone, and you can wirelessly transfer photos, videos, and other files between your phone and your Windows PC. This is an alternative to Airdrop between iPhone and Mac, but this can only be used between Android and Windows PCs. First thing you need to do is go to the Google website or android.com and then download the beta. Right now it's still in beta, so there could be bugs and crashes, but so far in my time of using it, it has worked pretty well. Once it's installed, you can use it without an account or sign in with your Google account. If you sign in, this will allow you to quickly connect to your Android phone and not require authentication every time sharing. But if you use without, it also works fine. If you click without an account, make sure you change the receiving settings to everyone so that you don't have to go and open the app every time. And leave it on all the time, since it'll be only on your network. From here you can see your device name and it'll say ready to receive. So now we can go on our Android phone and from here share any files. I'm going to share this photo using Nearby Share. In Google Photos, there's a little button in the app, or in the Samsung Share menu, you can also see Nearby Share. You need at least Android 11 or above and recent updates to use Nearby Share. Then you can go ahead and click it and then just accept. By default, it opens in your Downloads folder. So you can see you can click Open from the app, or you can go to File Explorer and then Downloads. Here you can see the same photos there. Another thing you can use Nearby Share is for sharing links. Instead of emailing a link to yourself, you can just use Nearby Share. So you can click Share and then Link and then same thing. Usually a notification will show up whenever you share a new file or link, but if it doesn't, always you can just click the tray icon. To share files from your Windows computer to your PC, you just have to drag the file into the Nearby Share app and then go on your phone and make sure that everyone mode is enabled. This is only applicable if you didn't sign in with an account. Once everyone mode is enabled, you can click on the phone and then you'll see a prompt show up. By default, it goes in your Downloads folder on your phone. Another method of sharing from the Windows computer is in File Explorer, just right-clicking and click Send with Nearby Share. This automatically opens the app and doesn't require you to have the app in the foreground at all times. Nearby Share is also really good for sharing big files. So I'm going to share this 1 GB file of my last YouTube video from my phone to my PC. Once again, just click Nearby Share and then actual size and then click on the PC. When you open Nearby Share, you can see the transfer speed and the amount received. You can also open the File Explorer or Task Manager and then see the receive speed. This is over Wi-Fi, so it's much faster. As you can see, it transferred flawlessly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.